Yeah, that's a big tree. I like the wooding. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, there's the other big one.
That's the biggest one I've seen so far.
This, my friends, is the largest, sickest spruce tree. Oh, the world's largest spruce tree, period, in the on Earth. It is 1,000 years old, and it's 58 feet in circumference. Look at that. Valley of the Rainforest Giants.
So this thing started growing right around the time the Vikings arrived in North America.
Wow. Wonder how they knew it was here.
Who?
Or how they found it.
Oh, I'm sure the natives knew about it.
So we are in the Quinault Rainforest now. In the southern end, southwestern end of Olympic National Park. There's a very, very lush, well, not lush, but thick. This is so cool. And then there's some more rainforest trees over there. Oh, look at the size of that one.
That reminded me of Jurassic Park.
What?
It reminds me of Jurassic Park.
I know, right? Big leaf maple. Well, that answers your question.
What?
These are maple trees. Big, big, big fuckers. Whoa. Whoa. What the hell is that? What?
I just drove over there.
Well, no, we have to go this way.
No, it ends right there.
Does it?
Yeah. It's just 10. I don't know what it's looking at.
Maybe we're. Yeah, it says we're supposed to go this way.
No, look. It just shows you that thing right over there. I don't know what it is.
Well, let me check this out. Oh yeah, you're right. It's a dead end. Oh, there are animals over here.
What kind?
Birds. Big ones. Oh, it looks like Lai was trying to get in that tree. Cool. Hey guys, so this is Bunch Falls over in Olympic National Park on the other side of Quinault. There's the waterfall up there, cascading down, and somewhere over there is Lai trying to climb up to the top. Oh, there he is. Quinault River that we were swimming in.